So voice, be different kind of voices are coming from me. Maybe I feel like that if I do this, then that aunt will say something. That aunt will say something. Let her say. Let her say now. Let her say, because the boy the reflection of that aunt, okay, the scold of that, more than that, what is important to me is my life, that what I want to express, what I want to talk, what I want to do. That's the thing. That's where love lies. Because love lies in freedom. And what are you doing? You are a fool. You are a coward. You love the music. You love doing dancing. You love creating something creative. Creative or something, some art or something like that. But what you are doing, you are just hiding. You think what she will think. She's thinking what you will think. You think what she's thinking. She will think what you think. Just trap each other. That's what we do.